Meaning of hangar.
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 Hangar. A hangar is a large, enclosed structure used to store and maintain aircraft. It typically has a wide entrance door for aircraft to enter and exit, and may also have specialized equipment for servicing, repairing, or refueling planes. Hangars are found at airports, military bases, and other locations where aircraft are operated and maintained. These structures help protect aircraft from weather damage and provide a secure location for storing valuable aviation equipment. In summary, a hangar is a crucial component of the aviation industry, helping ensure the safe operation of aircraft around the world.